How to solve problem of obtaining IP address on Wi-Fi in mobile. So if you want to fix can't connect to the internet problem on your device, then first you just need simply tap and hold on to your Wi-Fi and then tap on more Wi-Fi settings, or you can also go with your Wi-Fi settings from your settings application. Now here you will have your Wi-Fi, right? So for example, if you go and try to connect to a Wi-Fi and it says that obtaining IP address or can't connect to the internet, then you just need simply tap and hold on to that and go with forget. And after forgetting, now you need to tap on the Wi-Fi again, and now you need to go with the advanced options. Under advanced options, you will have your IP settings, right? So you need to go with the drop down of the IP settings, select static. After selecting static, now you need to go with the IP address. So on the IP address, you will have normally 192.168.1.128, right? So instead of this, what you can do is you can just simply go with 192.168.1, and now on the last you can go from 1 to 250. So you can simply select the numbers between 1 and 250. So I'll just simply go with 158 or 59, something like that. And then after that, everything's okay. Now you can go with the password and you can enter the password. After entering your password, you can go with connect and it will be connected. Your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.